The current paper bag packaging industry. It is experiencing a shift from labor-intensive, a profound shift towards a technology-driven model. The brand's visual presentation of the packaging, physical properties and environmental properties. They're demanding more. This directly tests the accuracy and efficiency of the bag-making equipment. This equipment is customized for the customer. Large paper bag machine without waste line. In terms of raw material adaptation, this model can handle 200 grams to 300 grams of white cardboard, white kraft paper and gold and silver cardboard. The paper bag currently in production. The size is 580 millimeters in front width, side width 200 millimeters, height 460 millimeters. In terms of productivity, the model runs at a stable speed, at 35-40 beats per minute. Single shift capacity can reach more than 20,000. The whole machine runs smoothly. Effective delivery cycle assurance. In terms of quality control, adopt wasteless integrated molding process. Belt body flat without splicing. Make sure full format printing is accurate. Provide a complete vehicle for brand display. In terms of labor costs, high degree of equipment automation. A piece of equipment requires only 1 to 2 people. Effectively reduce artificial dependence. Enhance comprehensive efficiency. Zhengwei provides installation and debugging after the equipment is delivered. Make sure the equipment is in your production system, operation training and long-term after-sales maintenance. Zhengwei Machinery. Stable operation. Helping the paper bag industry upgrade with precision manufacturing.